Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership, Kaizer Chiefs 4, Orbit College 1. I'm joined by Mr. Mnigeni Mtungwa.
Can I interview you?
Wait a minute.
Okay, I see you. I see you. Ngizobuya lapha. Okay, i-Chiefs.
Yeah.
Iqale kahle ngoba ivele yashaya igoli ingakabikho umuntu olindele. Kodwa emva kwalokho ibe isidonsi handbrake yalala. I-Orbit College yadlala. Kwasho ukuthi idlala lokho engikubiza nge-purposeless football. Ayinanhloso ukuthi idlalela ukwenzani. Iyadlala nje yabona manje idlalela emva komuzikini nezingane zakini. Ibidlala kanjalo i-Orbit College ngoba ibingayilimazi i-Chiefs. Ikakhulukazi uSaleng begcina kumphoqo ukuthi akabuye ezolithinta ibhola ku midfield ngoba lo mfana lo wamaDread ogqoka number 12 bani igama lakhe ngizongikhumbuza abangakubo ubenza kancane kakhulu beslow ngesilungu ubedlala kancane ibhola alibamba isikhathi eside abona kwesinye isikhathi kufanele ashaya ipass esheshayo ngangayishayi lokho ke kanti Chiefs phela akuyona team encane ekuthema kubuya nge-second half makubuya nge-second half i-Chiefs yaba ngenhla kakhulu kodwa uThabiso Mnyane ufile igame iqala yaze yaphela wazi waphuma angisho kabi okay in English he didn't play well mangithi ufile ngikhuluma isiZulu ubefile kodwa asingabazi equality igame yanamhlanje ayimvumanga uKwinika udlala kahle kodwa kufanele azi ukuthi ngimtshele ngesingisi ngoba ngiyasazi esincane it's not a crime to pass a dangerous ball. It's not a crime to hurt the opponent. Ngoba ibhola ubelibamba ukuthola ukuthi kufanele ngabe ibhola uyalipotshoza alithathe alidlale emasayidini alidlale emuva isikhathi alibambe alidlale emva kwesikhathi. Umfana kaFabian Aiden McCarthy ngakutshela ngisaphinda ngisakutshela futhi quality. Mangithe quality ngiqedile hayi angisho ukuthi akayiphesheya umfana sisamkhulisa sisamncenga kodwa quality bese ngithi kukhona into engisayilindile ngisalinde lo Flavio Silva wakutemu ekwakhulunywa ngaye ngisamlindile lo engisambonile kulama game ambalwa ngabe udlale 5 minutes ngabe udlale 2 minutes mawungabona leli goli leli akalishaya ku Durban City mawungabona lelo goli lelo quality ubona igoli akalishaya ku Golden Arrows leyo bathi strikers goal you pick your spot you place the ball in the net then you are done that's all so ngisamlindile lo uSilva lona obuya kuTemu lo engisambona mina ngibona ukuthi Chiefs yahamba yaphesheya yayolanda umdlalo ophilayo njoba ngangikutshelile ukuthi Chiefs team enkulu ayisayini umbhedo isayina abadlali abaphilayo okunye ulomfana lo uSaleng siyambongela equality lakhe liyabuya siyaqala siyabona lo Saleng esimaziyo uyasikhombisa ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani ngale kwalokho iChiefs ihalala mina iChiefs bengingayinakile ngibone makuwinwa iDurban City isila ngenhla kwePirates ngathi hayibo kanti iChiefs lene City phuphili yipi kusho ukuthi besilele sonke nama supporters eChiefs City Chiefs iyabheda umthethwa umthethwa abantu bambuka ngenhliziyo make kwenzeka uOxford ukuthi mina ngazi Kaizer Chiefs kaLouis Chakwane uLouis Chakwane wayethi when the team is not doing well that is when they need you for support when they are winning you can stay at home iChiefs leyo ngiyaziyo mina ngazi abalandi ngazi iChiefs mina eyasayina uJimmy Tawu ukhona umfowabo kaMdletshe Msingo wathi kimi mengitshela ethi i-Chiefs ngathi izosayina uJimmy Tawu ngathi mina makungenzeka lokho ngahamba ngekhanda ngisuka eSprings ngize ngiyofika eDanswara. Ngake ngahamba ngekhanda yamsayini le i-Chiefs engiyaziyo. Ngazi i-Chiefs mina ngo93 eyayifuna uShoes and Company weGiant Blackpool. I-Pirates yazi yavula i-account ukuthi abalandeli be-Pirates bona bavula i-account ukuthi bazofaka imali. I-Chiefs iba-donate ukuze i-Pirates izothenga uShoes. Kodwa i-Chiefs yamsayina. That is the Kaizer Chiefs I know. Uma ngabe i-Chiefs yenza kahle ibhola lase South Africa liyaphila. Buka la. Mina iKapa. Yabona iKapa. Ngeke ngathenga amateke eKapa nge-R150 kodwa inele ya sponsor Chiefs 1500 uyabona ileyo iChiefs esiyazi manje ngithi kuBobby Mtawungi noJessica Mtawungi noKaizer Mtawungi Junior nalo eningamazi makhosi uKemiso Mtawungi ubaba wenu wasebenza lwelani le brand asifuni ife nithi mase nisishayile samabhakaniya mina ngithi kini mawushaya uyihlo uyayuqhenye yini iChiefs thina si proud ngayo singamabhakaniya ngoba uKaizer Mtawungi uzalwe eOrlando manje ngithi iChiefs sidinga iphela oKemiso ake bebuka ngempela ukuthi njengoba beqalile beyibamba le moment yami yini abangayilungisa eoffice yini abangayilungisa ku training imapha ama decision right abangawathatha thina sazi iChiefs bold and beautiful lena esishanga ama surprises mayiwinile thina sazi isurprise iChiefs mayidliwe mayiwinile into esiyijwayele kodwa leya namhlanje asiyazi manje sithi ngoba iwina namhlanje siwine 3 games angifuni bawini league kodwa mabe iwinile ileague kodwa ileague mabe iwinile lokho kuchaza ukuthi ibhola lase South Africa lizophila uma ngabe iPirates iwina iChiefs iwina iSundowns iwina ibhola liyawina manje ngithi amakhosi halala nidlale kahle abafana beni bahle ngumnikeni ngumuntu ngisibongo ukuthi kulaphi kini ngeke ngikutshela sivoti la ukuthi kuzothi ngivota ku difficult fit yekeni
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?